Hello, this is Teacher Anna. Welcome back to my Chinese writing class. And we will learn how to write with a brush. So you need to hold a brush like this. So as you see, we already learned a lot. Now, this chapter we're going to learn about the sun, 日, and a horizon line. So we will learn 日, sun, and this one, 蛋, means in the morning, 蛋, and this one, 早. So 蛋 is kind of like sunrise. Okay, 早 is in the morning. So it's a 日 put a 时, 早. And this one is 更. 更 means returning and in a circle. So you can see a 日, a sun, under the sky and above the horizon line. Means something would not change because the sun will come back every day. And next one, 古 means old, ancient time. So it's 10 with a mouth, 古. And next one is 王. 王 means the king. The king. So 王 is a person goes through sky and the middle and the horizon line. A person who connect three parts is the king. And this one is 晶. So you can see three suns. So that means very bright, shining. 晶. Now let's start. So first one is日. 日. And that's the sun, yes? And next one is 蛋. The sun above the horizon line. That means sunrise, the early morning. 蛋. And next one, 早, early morning. 早, early morning. And 日, and then above a 时. So the 时 is kind of like a shade, 早. And the next one is 更. means something will not change. 亘古不变. Because the sun will always come up above the horizon line. So 更. So here's the sun, and here's the sky, and here's the horizon line. Sun will always come back here. Okay, next one, 古. A 10 and a mouth means old, ancient. 亘古不变 means will never change since the old times. Okay, 亘古, 古. 歌舞古, 古. And the next one is 王. So this is the sky, the middle, the horizon line, and one person goes through the three parts. That's a king. 王. Wang, you can see this character on the head of a tiger also. Wang. And next one, 晶. 晶 means shining because we have three songs here. 晶. So 经 Let's review. 日淡早更古往经 Okay, bye bye. See you next time.